Hi beauties, it's Jean Piersanti with Beauty and the Stamper, and I went to the Dollar Tree. So let me go ahead and show you what I got. First off, I need to tell you, Denise went with me, and she got herself some hot Cheeto fries.
Yay!
I also picked up some flowers. We've got, oh, this one's missing. Oh, okay. These are lilacs.
That was lavender.
I know, we were looking for lavender, but the lilacs. These little guys are wildflowers. And then this one was so pretty. I didn't even see the name. Oh, they're called crocuses. But aren't those pretty? What else did I get? I got some of these removable hooks. They're kind of like the commands. I've never tried them. So we'll see. It says that it holds 3 pounds there. And I won't be using that much. So we'll see. Got those. We also got the 4-pack. And they are removable. So that's cool. This one holds 1 pound. I got this little guy. It says this chick is ready for Easter. It is super cute, but I think we're going to be decorating this side. What else? Got one little crocus. Maybe that makes up for the missing lilac. I've got some stickers here that are like labels. Well, they are labels. They're not like labels. Some sticky notes, because who doesn't need 1,000 sticky notes? I also bought some of these bags. They are little, what are they called? Ladies Clear plastic bag. But they're nice. They've got these little pockets in here. They've got 3 of them. And then, let me show you. They open up nicely. So for those of us who are little stampers, this would be perfect to take like your scissors, take your pick tool, like all the little things you need, plus cards will fit in there perfect and you could see right through it. So I got some of these because we're having a team meeting tonight. So got those. I also got some of these claw clips. So I don't have this size, and the little ones are too little. The bigger ones are a lot for my hair. So we're going to try these. Denise went with me, as I said, and she thinks that even this is too big because my hair is really fine. But we'll see. What else? I've got this one, which holds 0.2 pounds. It doesn't hold a lot. But it's cute. I need these little cute guys in my life. So grabbed those. How many come with it? 9. 9 of them in there. So that's cool. And then the last thing I got was this adorable cup. And you can't really see too much because it's like both sides. But that, let me see, is a bicycle. And then this says, I have to hold it away because my eyes are old. It says, bloom where you are planted. See there? So super cute. I think I want to make this into a little farmhousey vase. So I'll record that for you. And that's everything I got. Sorry if my speaker is over here. I'll bring it a little bit closer. Can you hear better? But my bag was right there, and I just realized that I put the bag right next to the speaker, so I hope you were able to hear me. All right, I hope you enjoyed my Dollar Tree haul. Please give me a thumbs up, and then right down here you can subscribe because I do DIYs, and there are a few things in here that are definitely going to be DIY'd. So, all right, beauties, I will talk to you later. Have a great day, and thanks for watching. Bye.